Good morning, children. I run Mumbai Municipal Corporation's online education session, and I am Mr. Vijay Arak from Mahim Mori Road Upper Primary Municipal English School, Mahim West, and we are going to learn the subject mathematics. So let us start, children. Look at here, children. What do you see in this picture? Yes, what do you see? You see here some fruits or some other things. Okay. So look at here. What is written here? Observe and tick the group which has more. Observe and tick the group which has more. Now look at here. You can see here. What do you see here? Balloons. What do you see here? Balloons. Okay. How many balloons are here? Yes.
8. 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 balloons. How many balloons? 8. Now, how many balls are here? Yes, can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then which group has more? Can you tell me? The group of ball or the group of balloon has more? Yes, the group of balloon has more. So let us put the tick to the group of balloon. Okay, now here are also two groups now. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many bananas? There are 5 bananas. Okay. Now here, how many apples are here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So which group has more now? Yes. This group has more. Okay, very nice. Then we will put the tick to this group. Now last one, here are
Mango.
2 more groups with us. Now look at here. Mangoes, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 mangoes. Okay. Here are some other fruits.
9.
How many fruits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. So which group has more now? This mango group or this fruit group? Yes. Mango. Very nice. Fantastic. So let us put the tick to the group of mangoes. Okay. Nice. Now look at here, children. What do you see? Yes, here are also given some pictures. Now look at here. What is written? Compare the given picture and write big and small. Okay. So in each pair, there are two things. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to write big and small. Okay. So let us see now. Look at here. This is apple. This is an also apple. Okay. So which one is big? Yes. We will write here. This is the big one. Okay. And this is small. Okay. Now, look at the ball now. Which ball is bigger and which ball is smaller? Yes. This is big.
Small.
Yes, big. And this one is small. Okay. Now, look at the gift box now. Here is the gift box. Yes.
Big.
Yes, this one is small and this one is big. Okay. So let us write small. Yes. And this one is big. Very good. Now look at here. The pumpkin. This is big or small?
Big.
Big. And this one is small. So let us write. Yes, small. And this one is big. Okay. So children, we have understood over here. Big and small.
Yes.
Look at here now. What is written? Circle the heavier animals. Circle the heavier animals. Okay. Now look at the picture. What do you see? You can see here are some seesaws, and on each seesaw there are two animals. Okay. So let us see the first one. Look at here. Here is goat and here is cow. So which one is heavier now? Can you tell me? Goat or cow? Which one is heavier? Cow. Very good. So let us put the circle to this cow now. Okay. Now look at here. Yes. Look at the second seesaw. Here is horse and here is sheep. So which one is heavier now? Tell me. Horse. Very good. Horse. So let us put the circle to the horse. Now look at here. Here is the cat and here is the kitten. Okay, which one is heavier? Can you tell? Heavier animal? Yes, cat. Very nice. Now we will put the circle to the cat. The last one is, yes, what is this? Dog. And this the bird. Yes. So which one is heavier?
Dog.
Dog is heavier. Very good. Nice. So let us put circle to the dog. Okay. Here we have compared these animals with each other by their weight, Okay. And we have understood that heavier and lighter. Okay. Now look at here. Compare the objects and circle the lighter. Compare the objects and circle the lighter one. Okay. Now children, you can see here. Yes, here is the basket of fruit. Here is the cup. So which one is lighter from these two? Yes, the cup is lighter. Yes. So let us, what we have to do here? We have to also do the circles over here also. So let us do the circle now. First of all, cup. Cup is lighter. Okay. Now, secondly, look at here. What do you see here? Here is the note of 20 rupee. Okay. And here are some coins. So which one is lighter here? Can you tell me? Coins or note? Note. Very good. Yes. Let us put the circle to the note. Good. Here, look at here now. Here is one egg and here is a glass of water. So which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Egg. Very nice. Yes. So let us put the circle to the egg. Okay. Now last one. What do you see here?
Ice cream.
Yes. And here is
Book.
book. Okay. So which one is heavier or which one is lighter?
Book. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Very nice. So ice cream is lighter. So let us put the circle to the ice cream. Okay, children. Okay. Now, children, here we understood the lighter things. Okay. And here also we have compared the things with each other and we have understood that the lighter one. Okay. So heavier, lighter, one and many. And then we have also done here. Look at here the different types of balances used to weigh. Look at here. What do you see? Different types of balances used to weigh. Children, have you seen this picture anywhere? Where do you see these types of pictures or these types of things? Where do you see? Can you remember? Yes, we see these instruments or these things at the Kirana store, okay, at the greengrocer's shop, okay, and sometimes in the market also, okay. Okay, now children, what do we call this? These are called the balance scales. Okay, what do we call? These are these different types of balance. Okay, you have seen this when you go to the vegetable market. At that time, when you buy the vegetable, at that time, greengrocer use this to give your vegetable to you because he weight your vegetables with this. Okay, and when you go to the Kirana store at that time, you see that whatever things you want to buy, that might be sugar, or that might be rice, pulses, wheat, grains, whatever. That time, the Kirana store where you go, there, the things you want to buy, that is weighted. Okay. So these things are used there to weight. Okay. Now, children, these are called the balance. Okay. So we are going to learn about today all of these balances. Now look at here. You can see in your textbook page number 6060. Our lesson name is what? Let's weigh. Let's weigh. Okay. So children, this is the today's lesson. Now look at here. You can see on page number 6060 there. Color the box below the heavier object. What is written there very first? Color the box below the heavier object. There are two objects. You can see the first one is ball and the another one is the feather of peacock. Okay. Now children, which one is heavier object here from these two? Yes, can you tell me? Ball or feather?
Ball.
Which one is heavier? ball. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to color the box below the ball. Okay. So let us do that.
Yes.
We will color it now. Yes, you also have to color in your textbook that page number 6060. You can see there. Yes, we have colored the ball now. It is heavier than the feather. Okay. Now look at here, children. What do you see? Color the box below the lighter object. What is written? Color the box below the lighter object. Okay. So here you can see the bunch of keys and a balloon. Okay. So which one is?
Balloon.
Yes, balloon is lighter now. Yes. So what we have to do? We have to color below the box of balloon. Okay. So let us do that. Yes. Let us do the color for the balloon. Okay. Yes. Done. Now, children, look at here now. What do you see? Yes. You can see here two foxes are here, and here is also given a lump of jaggery. So here is a short story for you in your textbook. Also, the story is given. Now look at here. I'm going to explain this story to you. Okay, try to understand. One night, Chintu and Bitu. Look at here. These are the two names. One night, Chintu and Bitu. The two foxes. These are the names of foxes. Chintu and Bitu were passing by a jaggery factory. Okay. Now they saw a lump of jaggery there and were thrilled. Okay. So then what happened? The first box said that, first one said, I love jaggery. I will make the shares. Okay. Now, then the another one said, no, I am older. I will divide it well. Okay. So they both start to quarrel. These two foxes start to quarrel for what? For this jaggery lump because it is very sweet and they wanted to eat. Okay. So they both started to quarrel. Now, Bholu, the bear, was watching them quarrel. There was one bear, his name is Bholu, and was watching them quarrel. Now he went to help them. He went to help them. Then what happened? Look at here. Don't fight. Bolu Bear said, don't fight. You two, I will share out the jaggery fairly for you. Okay. So the foxes asked, how? The foxes asked, how do we? Okay. Now Bolu the bear brought something to help them. Okay. So what did Bolu bring to make equal shares? What did so the Bholu brought this balance scale. Bholu brought this balance scale to share the jaggery lump equally both the foxes. Okay. So here it was the jaggery lump. So what the Bholu did? Then Bholu cut it from the middle and put one share in this pan, the another one in this pan. And when it is steady at the balance position, at that time, he shared to both of them one piece of the lump, isn't it? So he shared that to both of them equally. Okay. Now, here is the question for you now. What does a greengrocer use to weigh the vegetable? Okay. As very first, I have explained to you that when we go to the greengrocer shop, at that time to weigh our vegetables, he used the balance scale. Okay. So how do he use the balance scale? That we will understand betterly. Okay. Now look at here. You can see here the balance scale for weighing. Okay. Now here you put our vegetable and whatever the grain or the flour or the other things, grains, pulses, whatever we want to buy. And here he put the weight. Okay. And when it is at the steady position, it is the balance now. At that time, he give that to us. Okay.
Yes.
Now look at here. When he use the balance scale, at that time he has some weights. Okay. So whatever the amount we want to buy, at that equal he use these weights. Okay. So you can see here 1 kg is written here. So 1 kg it means what? 1 kilogram. Okay. You have listened about this. 1 kilogram sugar, 1 kilogram pulse, 1 kilogram rice, flour. Okay. So 1 kilogram. Here you can see 2 kg is written. Now this weight, the capacity of this weight. Yes. Yes. The mass of this weight is what? 2 kilogram. Here Here 5 kilogram, okay. Here 10 kilogram, okay. Now here 20 kilogram. So these are the some weights, okay. These are the weighing objects which are used to at the by the greengrocers or the kirana store, okay. Now look at here, you can see in this way it is weighted. Now look at here, you can see this is the balance scale, and you can see in one pan there are potatoes and in the another pan there is one weight, okay. So here 500 gram, 100 gram, 1 kg, okay. So when the amount or the weight is less than 1 kilogram, at that time it is measured into the, or it is weighted into the gram, okay. Now we'll understand this. See, here in one pan there are potatoes and in another pan there is one weight, okay. So the capacity of this weight is, or the mass of this weight is what? 200 gram, okay. So if you want to buy the 500 gram, otherwise you can say half kilogram, okay. So this half kilogram weight is put here in this pan, and the more potatoes add over here, and when it is at the balance or steady position, at that time it is the half kg of potato, okay. Now same the way, if you want to buy the 1 kilogram of potato, you can put this weight in this pan and you can add some more potatoes over here, and when it is at like the at this position, okay, at steady position, you can see. So at that time the potatoes are as 1 kilogram, okay. So look at here, now you can see. But children, look at here, this is used sometime, and most of the time you can see this electronic balance is used, okay. So today whenever you go, most of the times we see, or almost we see this electronic weight, okay. So here you see, here you use the weights, okay. Here you use this weight, but here what is, here you can see here is one screen, okay. A little digital screen is given here, and as the you put in any weight over here on this plate, at that time with the by that force, here the numbers, here you can see the numbers, okay. So the numbers are how? The numbers are in the form of grams, okay. Look at here, if you want to buy 1 kg or 1 kilogram of anything, suppose we will take the example of sugar. If you will keep over here a sugar, 1 kilogram of sugar, at that time here you can see the 1000 gram, the number 1000 gram, okay. So in this way, if you will buy half kilogram, so this digital screen will show you that 500 grams, okay. If you will buy 3/4, or we will put it over here on this plate, that the digital screen will show you 750 grams, okay. So if you will buy 1/4, it will show you 250 gram. If you will buy that 2 kilogram, okay, so whatever things you want to buy, that it will show you 2000 grams. Or if you will buy 5 kilogram, it will show you 5000 grams, okay. So in this way, so you have one option that children, whenever you go to the market or to the kirana store or greengrocer market, or to buy the vegetables, at that time you observe this, how the people weight the things you are going to buy, okay. Observe it properly and try to understand betterly at there, okay, if you will go, okay. Now look at here, now let us understand the units, let us understand the metric units of the mass and milligram. So what is the milligram, gram and kilogram? Look at here, just we have understood here the grams, okay. So here we understood 1000 gram, 1 kilogram is equal to 1 kilogram. But how do we know that 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 6 gram, okay, and how much that weight is, how much that weight is? Now look at here, given over here, milligram it is the very small unit, okay. Look at here, you can see here is one feather, okay. So the weight of this feather is what? Almost near about milligram. You can measure it in the milligram, okay. Here you can see the paper clip, and the weight of this paper clip is measured, or we can see in the gram, unit of gram. Now here you can see the pineapple, heavier than these two things. Okay, so
Kilogram.
it is weighted into the gram, kilogram. Okay, now look at here. Let us understand this betterly over here. Units of measurement. Units of measurement. Now, what is written here? Look at here. The most common units of measurement for mass are grams and kilograms. Okay, so the things which are measured in grams given here, and the things which are measured in the or the weighted into the kilogram are given over here. Look at here. A gram is very light. Look at here. When you will hold this pen or this lead of the pen or this chewing gum piece, you will not think that it has a weight. Okay, because it is very light, but it has weight. It has very light weight. Okay, so look at here. The paper clip's weight is approximately 1 gram. The lead of pen, its weight is also approximately 1 gram, and the piece of chewing gum, okay, it is also approximately 1 gram. See, the things which are very lighter and very small, it is weighted into the gram. Okay, so 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 15 gram. Okay, now look at here. A kilogram is 1000 gram, as I explained you, and these items weigh approximately 1 kilogram. You can see here apples and loaves of bread and liter of milk. Okay, so these are this weight of these things approximately 1 kilogram. The 7 apples weight is approximately 1 kilogram. The 2 loaves of bread, approximately the weight is 1 kilogram. And here you can see 1 kilogram near about a liter of milk, isn't it? So these are the kilograms and grams, and these are some things which is given in the for your exam, for your understanding only. Okay, so some are different kinds of different things which are measured in the kilograms and grams. Okay, which is weighted. Look at here now. What do you see? Here is given also one example. Here is the one lump of jaggery piece, and its weight is 1 kilogram. Okay, now here 3 kg of potatoes. Okay, this is also one type of balance scale which is used to see the mass of the object or the things. Okay, so 3 kg of potato. Okay, and here the 1.5 kg of banana. Here you can see the cheese packet. Okay, it's written over here that 1 kg, 1 kg it means what? 1 kilogram. And here you can see the flour. Okay, so it is written 2 kg. Okay, so it means 2 kilogram. Okay, children. Now look at here. What do you see? You can see in your textbook page number 61. There is given, look at the balances below and name the lighter and heavier thing in each pan. Okay, so here are 2 balance scales over here, and you can see first one. Here is the pumpkin, and here is the what? Here is also one fruit that we can see the pomegranate. Okay, so children, which one is heavier? The pumpkin is heavier. Okay, and now here you can see in this pan some toffees are there, and here is one book. Okay, so which one is heavier and which one is lighter? No, the both have the equal weights. Okay, the weight of this toffees and the book is equal, isn't it? Okay, children. Now here you can see the balance scale about we learn. Here is given electronic balance. Okay, and you can see how the weight is going to done. Okay, now look at here. Note the different types of balances used for weighing things. Note the different types of balances used for weighing the things. Okay, now children, look at here. These are the some balance scales which are given here. Okay, now you have some additional information is given here. Find out about the different kinds of weights that were used in olden times. So let us see that. Okay, look at here. You can see in this picture some weights that from smaller to bigger. Okay, look at here. It is are in this order. Look at here. Okay, so how? Look at it. What is written over here? You can see 2 kilo or 2 kg. Okay, or 2 kilograms. Okay, now here 1 kilogram. Here 500 gram. Okay, here 500 gram, and here 200 gram, and here 100 grams. Okay, So when the weight is less than the 1 kilogram, at that time it is mentioned the grams. Okay, so here 1 kilogram, but when it is less than 1 kilogram, it is half kg. Okay, so at that time it is written 500 gram. Here 200 gram, here 100 gram. Okay, now here you can see 5 kg, it means 5 kilogram weight. Then here 10 kg, it means 10 kilogram. And here 20 kg, it means 20 kilogram. So these are the some weights which is used. Look at here what is given. Different kinds of weights were used in the olden times. So olden time these are used mostly. Today also it is used, but not in that much of percentage. Okay, so people use now the electronic balance. Okay, now look at here. What do you see? Color the box below the lighter 1. Color the box below the lighter 1. Okay, now you can see in each box there are given two pictures. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to color the box below the lighter 1. Okay, now let us do that. In the first box, what do you see? You will see here one feather and one tree. So which one is what we have to do? We have to color the box. Okay, we have to color the box. So which one? The lighter one. Okay, so let us do first of all. Here is the feather which is very lighter. So let us color it. Okay. Now second, yes, here is ball and here is paper. So which we have to color? Which box we have to color? We have to color the box below the paper. Okay, so let us do that. Now here is one bicycle and here is one toy of car. Okay, yes, so bicycle is lighter, so let us do the color to the box below the bicycle. Now here one cup and one balloon. Yes, which one is lighter? Balloon, isn't it? Yes, we will color it. Yes. Now look at here. What do you see? Color the box below the heavier one. Okay. So here you can see pumpkin and apple. Which one is heavier? Can you tell me? Pumpkin or apple? Which one is heavier?
Pumpkin.
Yes. So we will color the big box below the pumpkin because pumpkin is heavier. Now here, tell me, nail or pin, which one is heavier? Nail is heavier. Okay. So let us color the box below the nail. Yes. Now here, saucer and table. Which one is heavier? The table is heavier. Okay. So let us color the box below the table. Yes. And here you can see both fishes are there, but it is the whale or it is another fish. Okay. So which one is heavier? This whale is heavier. Okay, children. So yes, we have done this now. Now look at here. What do you see? This is the time of homework now. Children, I hope that you all have understood the balance scale and its uses and how the weight is done with the help of weighting objects, or when you go to greengrocer shop or the kirana store at that time, when we buy grains, rice or wheat or any other material which is weighted at that time, we see that there the balance scales are used to weight the things. Okay, so now children, here you can see in this picture, you can see here are also some balance scale, and in both the pans there is given some weight. Okay, but some things are given their weight or written, their weights are written in the box, but at some boxes there is not mentioned the weight. So what you have to do, you have to find out the weight which has not written there. Okay, so you have to take the screenshot of this and find out the weight where which is not written. Okay, suppose in this box, in this box, in this box. Okay, so you have to find out this weight. Okay, children. So thank you very much for listening this video carefully.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.